Saddleview Ranchette offers luxury country living on more than 5.5 acres in Eaton, Colorado, combining mountain views, mature trees, and a beautifully designed equestrian setup in a peaceful rural setting. A white fence-lined driveway leads to the custom-built brick home, where expansive windows, warm finishes, and a dramatic floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace create an inviting atmosphere throughout the main living spaces. The kitchen features rich knotty alder cabinetry, updated appliances, and a spacious walk-in pantry. The private primary suite offers a relaxing retreat, complete with dual vanities, separate walk-in closets, a soaking tub, and walk-in shower. 2 guest bedrooms are located on the main level, while a 4th bedroom downstairs provides comfortable space for guests or extended family. The lower level also offers additional living space ideal for entertaining or everyday flexibility. Situated in Eaton, just north of Greeley, the property offers small-town Colorado, living with convenient access to shopping, dining, schools, and front-range amenities. Within easy reach of Fort Collins, residents also enjoy additional dining, culture, and recreation while still maintaining a quiet rural setting. Outside, the property is thoughtfully designed for year-round enjoyment, with a covered stamped concrete patio, built-in grill, fenced backyard, and beautifully maintained grounds surrounded by larger neighboring farms. The equestrian improvements are a true highlight of the property. The roughly 6,000 square foot Morton barn and indoor riding arena include 8 stalls, tack room, office space, fenced paddocks, loafing sheds, and a large indoor arena designed for convenient everyday horse operations and all-season riding. Saddleview Ranchette is a rare opportunity to own a turnkey equestrian property that combines quality craftsmanship, functional design, and the quiet beauty of northern Colorado. For more information and a private qualified showing, please contact Dan Brunk or Sally Brunk or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.